Hello friends and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make these 3 easy exercises in SolidWorks. And for this we'll be following the next drawings. So these are the drawings for every of this exercise. Okay, so let's begin. First we'll start with this one. So first we'll have to open a new part, and here we'll have to open a sketch in the top plane, and we'll make the next sketch. We'll start with 2 circles, and then we'll make 2 more. Now we'll have to define these circles. This one will have the diameter 42 millimeters. This one will have 24. This will have 64. And this one 36. Now from this center point to this center point will be 100 millimeters. Select these 2 center points and make them horizontal. Good. Now with line we'll make 2 lines which will be tangent to these 2 circles. Make them tangent if they are not from the first. Okay. Now we'll have to use trim entities command to cut these parts of the circles. And now with line we'll have to make here this. Now make these 2 equal, and here we'll have 12 millimeters and here 6. And now use trim entities command to cut this part. Okay, go to features, use extruded boss base, and here we'll put 12 millimeters. Press OK. Now open another sketch on this face, normal one. And now with convert entities command we'll convert these edges into our new sketch. Press OK. And now we have to make 2 circles. Select this circle and this edge and select here make for radial. Do the same with this one. Now go to features, use extruded boss base, and we'll go to select contours, and we'll select first only this one. And here the dimension will be 12 millimeters. Press OK. And now we'll go to extrude boss base again. And from here we'll go to boss extruded 2. We'll select sketch 2. We'll go to select contours. We'll delete this one. And we'll select the other one. And here we'll put 24 millimeters. Press OK. Now we'll have to open a sketch in the front plane, normal 2. Let's make it plain white. Okay. And here we'll have to make the next sketch with line. Just like this. Now go to features, use extruded boss base. Here we'll keep mid plane, and the thickness will be 12 millimeters. Press OK. Now this part is done. We'll have to make the next one. So open a new part, and here we'll have to open a sketch in the front plane, and with line we'll make the next sketch. make this vertical if it's not. Okay. Now we have to dimension this. So from this line to this line will be 120 degrees. Here the thickness will be, first make these two parallel. Okay. And now here will be 20 millimeters. Here will be also 20. From this line, actually this line here will have 75 millimeters, and this one will have 50. Now we'll go to features, we'll use extruded boss base. We'll keep here mid plane, and here we'll put 50 millimeters. Press OK. Now open a sketch on this face, normal tool. Let's make the plane white. Okay. And here we'll have to make the next sketch. First we'll make two circles, which will be in the middle of this page. Okay. Now we have to define them. This one will have 30 millimeters in diameter, and this one will have 10. Nice. Now we'll go to features, and we'll use extruded boss base. We'll select here reverse direction, and here up to surface. We'll select this surface, and press OK. Now we'll have to open another sketch on this face, normal tool. We'll have to make a circle here, and select this circle and this edge. Select here make radial. Okay. Now we'll have to make a polygon. Select these three lines and make them horizontal. Now from this line to this one it will be 25 millimeters. In the drawing is a mistake because it's showing 55 here, but from this side to this side are only 50 millimeters, so it's impossible this to have 55 here. Okay. And now from this point to this edge here will be 45 millimeters. Now we'll make here a center line, and this center line should be passed to this center point. And now with 3-point arc we'll start from here. We'll make one like this, and then we'll start from here and we'll make another one. So here, something like this, and now we'll have to define this. I will make here a center line, and I will select this point, actually this arc and this center line, and I will select here make tangent. I will select here also make tangent, and I will select these 2 points, and I will select here make vertical. Okay. And now I will close the sketch. And now we'll have to use mirror, but first we'll have to make a center line. We'll make here a center line, and then with mirror, we'll mirror this on this side. That's okay. Now select these points and make them vertical. Okay, this is not fully defined. And now we'll go to features. We'll use extruded cut. Okay, and here we'll have to go. Actually, here we'll select up to surface, and we'll select this surface, and press OK. And now we have our cut. Nice. Now we'll have to make here 2 holes. So open a sketch on this face, normal tool, and here we'll have to make 2 circles. Make these 2 points horizontal, make these 2 equal, and now we have to define one of them, 10 mm in diameter. Between them will be 20 mm. From this to this side will be 15. Okay. And now select this center point and this point from the middle of this edge and make them horizontal. Now go to features, use extruded cut. Here I will select up to next and press OK. This part is done, and now we have to make the last exercise from this video, and let's start. We'll have to open a new part, and here we'll have to open a sketch in the top plane. This is the easiest one. Here we'll make a center rectangle. We'll have to define this. Here we'll have 150 millimeters. Here will be 75. Now we'll have to make 2 center lines. And another center rectangle, smaller, like this. And from this center point to this edge will be 20 millimeters. And from this center point to this line, okay, here will be 15. This side will have 18 millimeters, and this one will have 10. Sorry. Okay. Now I have to use mirror to make 4 of them. So first we'll mirror on that side, and then use mirror again, and mirror these 2 about this line. And press OK. Now we have 4. Go to features, use extruded boss base, and here the thickness will be 25 millimeters. Press OK. Now open another sketch on this face, normal tool, make it plain white, and here we'll make another center rectangle. This will have 75 millimeters. This one here will have 50. Now go to features, use extruded boss base. Here will be also 25. Press OK. Now open another sketch on this face, normal tool. Here we have to make another center rectangle. We have to dimension. Here will be 50 millimeters. Here will be 24. And go to features, but this time we'll use extruded cut. And here we'll put 30 millimeters. Press OK. This is almost done. The last thing we'll have to do is to open a sketch in the front plane, normal tool, and here we'll have to make a center line, and then with line we'll make this sketch. And we'll have to mirror this and about this center line. Go to features, use extruded boss base. Here we'll keep mid plane and the thickness will be 10 millimeters. Press OK. Now this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please leave a subscribe. If you want to see more, you can leave a like if you want to support me, and a comment with your opinion. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video.
Yeah, yeah.